Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to check your machine product and platform version of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. So first you have to click on this question mark icon. Okay. So after clicking on this question mark icon, you are going to see this option called about. Okay. Just click on this about. So after clicking on that, you will be able to see here one is the installed product version and the other one is the installed platform version. Okay, see these both are different, and the installed product version is a 10.0.27 and the platform version is update 51. So these both are different versions that you can able to see. This is the product version and this is the platform version. So here you can able to find this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.